In this video, I'm going to go over how to solve a system of equations by graphing. So what we need to do to solve the system is to graph both of these equations and find the point where they intersect. So luckily, in this case, both of these are already in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, which means it's very easy to find our y-intercept and our slope, which makes it very quick for us to graph. So I'm going to graph the top equation in blue. We use B to find our place to begin. So begin at 2 on the y-axis. We use M, which is our slope, to move to find our other points. So we go up 1 over 3. And my hint to you is to do this as many times as possible. Cover the entire graph. That way it's easy for you to find where these two lines intersect, and it's easy to graph accurately. So there's our first equation. I'll graph the second one in orange. So we use B to begin, which is -4 on the y-axis, and M to move, which is 7 over 3. So up 7 over 3, up 7 over 3. You might already be able to see where these two lines intersect, but please go ahead and make sure to graph both of these and draw it accurately and as straight as possible. Then we find that point where those two lines intersect. If you graphed them really nice and neatly, it should be easy to find this point. This point right here is 3, 3, which means that is the point that is the solution to both equations, which makes it the solution to the system. Let's try this one more time. So again, we have these two equations already in slope-intercept form. I'll graph the top in blue. Our B is where we begin. Let's begin at 2. Our M is our slope. That's how we move up 3 over 4. And again, do that as many times as you can to make it easier to graph the line. And that way it's easy for you to see where these two lines intersect. Okay. Now I'm going to graph the bottom one in orange. So plus 7 would be up here at the 7. And then this is a -1/2, so my slope should be going downhill from left to right. So I'm going to go down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2. Again, I know I can already see where these two are intersecting, but I'm going to continue to find points just to make it easier to graph. Let's draw this line through as accurately as possible. I'm going to try that again. There we go. And I can see where these two lines intersect. They intersect perfectly at this point. This point right here is 4, 5. So that is the solution to this system of equations.